The auxiliary verb may is used instead of can at many occasions, but may has its own significance in grammar and the structure of sentences. May is used to express possibility, a wish, and sometimes used to ask permission, such as, "It may rain tomorrow." So here, may, the auxiliary verb, is being used in order to show a possibility. It may rain tomorrow. He may be at home. So it is not confirmed whether he is at home or not, but because of the use of may, it becomes a possibility, thinking that he might be at home. He may be at home. So the auxiliary may becomes very important if we want to show the possibility in the structure of the sentence. He is at home would be different than he may be at home. In that case also we are using the auxiliary is. But here we are using he may be at home. Along with may, we are also using the helping verb be. And this is showing a possibility. And if we need to show a possibility in the grammar structure, we need to use the auxiliary verb may. May you live happily. This is a wish or it is a desire. And in that case, we will be starting the sentence with the auxiliary verb may. In other cases also, when we are desiring for something or wishing or praying for someone, we will be using may, the auxiliary verb, in the beginning of the sentence. For example, may you live in peace. It is also considered to be a good wish and probably a prayer for someone. Now here, when we are going to use may instead of can, which is supposed to be more polite in using and asking for permission, we can also use may in the beginning of the sentence. For example, may I borrow your bicycle? Here, the speaker is asking permission, and instead of using can, is using may. Now there is a sense of politeness there, but at the same time there is another feeling there which is also signifying that the speaker is asking for permission, but he is probably also showing and expressing that is the possibility of borrowing a bicycle there, and that is why can this be borrowed or not. So when we are using may, we also become conscious that there is some element of possibility and probability there. May I do this work for you? This is again permission, but at the same time it is also showing and signifying that is there a possibility of me doing your work. If we change these sentences, it can also be I would like to borrow your bicycle, but in this case we are not using the auxiliary may because we are not showing that we are asking for any permission or we are asking for any possibility to use the bicycle. That means without the use of auxiliary may, we will not be able to show that we are asking for a permission or there is any chance or possibility or probability of the thing to happen. Therefore, that means that the auxiliary may has a significant role in asking for permission in a sentence and also at the same time showing the possibility, expressing that this could be possible or probable to happen. And the use of may further signifies that it is a polite word which is now being considered by some grammarians to be more polite than the use of the word can. However, the use of the word can is not incorrect. It can also be used to ask permissions, but when compared to may, we are using may to ask permission, it also attaches and associates with some kind of possibility that with the permission we are also finding out whether the possibility of doing the act is there or not. So it adds up to the permission in the sense that it is also asking whether there is some clarification of this possibility to happen, whether it is possible to borrow a bicycle. So it adds up to the permission that is being asked by the speaker.